to our gardens and welcome to another Christmas tutorial. Today we'll be drawing the Christmas candy. So grab your paper and let's get started. Yep, so first we will start by drawing like this in the middle of your page all the way towards here and taking it back all the way towards here. Well, you can get that a little longer towards here. And to be honest, the most hard part of the video of the drawing is pretty much over. Now we'll just need to draw these marks, which are quite easy. And it's as easy as that. Now we'll step over and start coloring this, but before that we have to start inking this. Yep. And that's how you draw a Christmas candy. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like our content, please hit the subscribe button and check out this video right over here and the playlist over here. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. So do it. Bye.